Hi everyone, I'm Dr. SAMER SHORMAN, Computer Science Department, Applied Science University. We are going to conduct a research related to the image processing and computer vision, but this research actually will be focused on the computer vision. This research titled by Computer Vision Communication Technology in Mathematical Modeling. The short description about this research, what we are going to do, we use a mathematical modeling methods to incorporate new elements into the computer graphics technology and visual communication design process. In this method, we are going to realize the design of a computer image visual communication systems as well. In this method, we are going to use an artificial vision to model and extract local features. The macro partial equations obtain the background reference line of the target point in the image sequence to complete the background. To complete the background separation in the image spatio-temporal domain. As well, the main result we are going expected from the research to show how we are going to show our proposed method, maybe our proposed algorithm, it's going to be better than the other algorithms by tracking the effect of subsequent frames of videos, of video images, and high tracking efficiency. We will test this unexpected result after conduct the experiment and comparing our result and statistics with others. Thank you. We will see you in the research field.